Let's invite your teachers to Edneed. But first, to learn how to set up your courses in classrooms, refer to the link in the description. Let's begin. From your Institute admin dashboard, go to Teachers. Let's send a manual invite first. Through this method, you can invite up to 10 teachers at a time. Write the teacher's full name, email address, and select their course and classroom from the drop-down. To invite more teachers, click on Invite More button and fill in their information. You can remove this field by clicking Remove. Finally, click Send Invitations button. Your teachers will receive an email invitation. The teacher is added to the list. Click on Edit button to see the courses assigned to the teacher. To assign more, click on Assign Course button. Select a course from the drop-down and click on Assign Course. To assign a new classroom, click on Edit Classroom button of that course. And from the drop-down, select the classroom. Click Update Now button. Your classrooms are added. To delete a course assigned to the teacher, click Delete button. Click on Teachers to go back to the teacher list. From here, click on the Invite Teachers button to send more invites. Let's send a bulk invite this time. Download the bulk invite Excel sheet form the Download Excel sheet button. Open the Excel sheet and carefully fill in the data. Make sure to not change the sequence or titles of the column headings. Also make sure that the course and classroom that you want to assign to the teacher are already added on Edneed. Now fill in the information and save the document. Come back to Edneed and click on Upload Excel sheet button, select the document. If your invitation fails, download the Excel sheet and refer to the remarks column to find out the reason and then re-upload. Your teachers are added. To remove a teacher from the school, click Remove button. For more such quick tutorials, watch our How to Edneed playlist. Happy learning, Team Edneed!